Hey guys, I'm Advocate Tamanna and welcome to Anmol Mehta's Super 20 IAS. So as you guys know कि last video में we talked about a new current affairs series अखबार का ज्ञान जो आएगा काम. So चलिए let's start with the first video of this series. In this video, the component I'll be covering is geography. चलिए let's start with the questions. The question number 1 is, the Karman Line is the internationally recognized boundary between which of the following? Option A, inner core and outer core. Option B, warm surface water and cold deep water in an ocean. Option C, Earth's atmosphere and the outer space. And option D, Southern Ocean and the Indian Ocean. Chaliye, let's check out the answer. The answer is option C, Earth's atmosphere and the outer space. The Karman Line is an attempt to define a boundary between Earth's atmosphere and outer space. The line is named after Theodore von Karman. The Federation Aeronautic International defines Karman Line as the altitude of 100 kilometers above Earth's mean sea level. The line is approximately at the turbopause, above which atmospheric gases are not well mixed. Let's move on to question number 2. Arrange the following in south to north direction. Number 1, Periyar Tiger Reserve. Number 2, Nagarhole Tiger Reserve. Number 3, Pench Tiger Reserve. And number 4, Valmiki Tiger Reserve. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Option A, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Option B, 2, 1, 4, 3. Option C, 3, 2, 1, 4. And option D, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember, you have to arrange it in south to north direction. The correct answer is option A, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The Periyar Tiger Reserve is in Kerala. The Nagarhole Tiger Reserve is in Karnataka. The Pench Tiger Reserve is in Madhya Pradesh. And the Valmiki Tiger Reserve is in Bihar. One interesting fact, India is home to 2,226 wild tigers, which is 2/3 of the world population of wild tigers. Let's move on to question number 3. Which of the following statements are correct regarding Cyclone Talkati? The name was suggested by Myanmar. Talkati means a highly vocal lizard gecko. It is the first tropical cyclonic storm of 2021 that emerged from Bay of Bengal. It is classified as a very severe cyclonic storm. Which of the above statements are correct? Option A, 1 and 2. Option B, 1 and 3. Option C, 2 and 3. And option D, 1, 2 and 3. So the answer is option B, 1 and 3 statements are correct. The name Talkati is given from a Burmese word that is suggested by Myanmar, which means gecko, a lizard known for its distinctive vocalization. Cyclone Talkati was formed over the Southeast Arabian Sea and not Bay of Bengal, which intensified into a very severe storm. So do you guys know how a cyclone is formed and how the names that come? See the picture and do Google it. Let's move on to question number 4. Consider the following characteristics. Number 1, annual range of temperature is 18 degrees Celsius. Average annual rainfall is less than 12 centimeter. Low relative humidity. And 4th, hot and dry winds in the summer season. Which of the following places have the above climatic conditions? Option A, Tezpur. Option B, Bangalore. Option C, Jaisalmer. And option 4, Bhubaneswar. So the answer is option C, Jaisalmer. For this question, let's try the elimination method. The option 1, that is Tezpur. It is a city in the Sonitpur district of Assam. It is on the banks of river Brahmaputra. The average temperature in summer is around 36 degrees Celsius. It receives rainfall from the southwest monsoon. So the option A is not correct. Option B is Bangalore, which has an annual range of temperature 32 to 33 degrees Celsius and average rainfall is 859 centimeter. So option B cannot be correct. Third is Jaisalmer, which has an annual range of temperature 18 degrees Celsius and average annual rainfall is less than 12 centimeters with low relative humidity, and it has hot and dry winds in the summer season. So this option is correct. But let's consider option 4, Bhubaneswar, which is the capital and largest city of Odisha. The annual mean temperature is 27.4 degrees Celsius. Summers are hot and humid, and it has an annual rainfall of 150 centimeter. So this option is not correct. Let's move on to question number 5. Digha-Gopalpur Coastal Highway connects which of the following states? Odisha and West Bengal, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, Sikkim and Nagaland, or none of the above? The answer is option A, Odisha and West Bengal. The coastal highway project will link Gopalpur in Odisha and Digha of West Bengal. It would act as an economic corridor between two ports of Paradip and Dhamra. The coastal highway project was announced in 2015 April, which spreads over 450 kilometers. As per the proposal, this coastal highway will be named as 516A. Besides facilitating transportation of agri-goods and fishery products, the coastal highway would play a crucial role in the supply chain during natural calamities like cyclones and floods. Let's move on to question number 6. Which of these northeastern states does not border Bangladesh? Option A, Manipur. Option B, Assam. Option C, Meghalaya. And option D, Tripura. So the correct option is option A, Manipur. 5 Indian states, Assam, West Bengal, Mizoram, Meghalaya and Tripura shares border with Bangladesh. For reference, see the picture. Question number 7. Consider the following statements regarding black holes. A black hole is an astronomical object with a gravitational pull so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. The area outside the boundary of black holes, called the event horizon, does emit all kinds of radiations, even visible light. Which of the following statements are correct? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, both. And option D, none. The answer is option C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Black holes do not emit or radiate anything, even light. So there is no way their image can be captured. But the area just outside its boundary, called the event horizon, which has vast amounts of gas, clouds and plasma swirling violently, does emit all kinds of radiations, even visible light. Do you know the concept was theorized by Albert Einstein in 1915. Let's move on to question number 8. Arrange the following Great Lakes of North America from west to east. Lake Erie, Lake Michigan, Lake Superior, Lake Huron, and Lake Ontario. Select the correct answer code. Option A, 34215. Option B, 32415. Option C, 42315. And option D, 23145. The answer is option B, 32415. Do you guys know that the Great Lakes of North America are a series of interconnected freshwater lakes which connect to the Atlantic Ocean through the St. Lawrence Seaway? Let's move on to question number 9. Sinjar Mountains, sometimes seen in news, lies in option A, Iraq and Iran, option B, Iraq and Jordan, option C, Iraq and Syria, and option D, Syria and Turkey. The correct option is Iraq and Syria, option C. Sinjar Mountains are a 100-kilometer long mountain range that run east to west, rising above the surrounding alluvial steppe plains in northwestern Iraq. The western and lower segment of these mountains lie in the Syria. The mountains are regarded as sacred by the Yazidis. Let's move on to the next question, question number 10. Consider the following statements regarding urban heat island. An urban heat island is an urban area that is significantly warmer than its surrounding rural areas due to human activities. The effect of urban heat island is more severe during daytime than in nighttime. The UHI decreases air quality by increasing the production of pollutants such as ozone and decreases water quality. Which of the above statements are correct? Option A, 1 and 2. Option B, 1 and 3. Option C, 2 and 3. And option D, 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer is option B, 1 and 3. An urban heat island is an urban area or metropolitan area that is significantly warmer than its surrounding area, rural areas due to human activities. The temperature difference is usually larger at night than during the day and is most apparent when winds are weak. UHI is most noticeable during the summer and winter. The main cause of the urban heat island effect is from the modification of land surfaces. The UHI decreases air quality by increasing the production of pollutants such as ozone and decreases water quality as warmer water flows into area streams and puts stress on the ecosystem. Mitigation of the urban heat island effect can be accomplished through the use of green roofs and the use of lighter colored surfaces in the urban areas, which reflect more sunlight and absorb less heat. Some concerns have been raised about possible contribution from urban heat islands to the global warming. So I hope you guys like this video. Do share it with your friends and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and happy learning.